the Scenic trip that we're on, and the Scenic trip's pretty tame. We're not going to be doing any spins, although we are on a boat ride. You may get a little bit wet, but we're going to do what we can to keep everybody dry.
Is that a good thing or a bad thing? I've never seen that one before. Are your fingers wet? You just ride them off.
So we're looking for birds with white heads. Those are the bald eagles, but their chicks are the same size as they are right now. See the bird nests under here. When they get with it and start building these nests, 36 hours they can build them. They fly through. Everybody doing all right? Move up the street. The wild horse area is about a 30,000 acre area that they have provided as a sanctuary for wild horses. And some of the wild horses, the bloodlines date back all the way to the Spaniards that lost horses in the West. Ahead of us. Can you bring a jacket? Good, can I borrow it? As we come through these turns, the river gets really wide, and I can't stop there to show you then. But it's really wide, really shallow, but a perfect place for a ferry. And the ferryman lived right there, and they would run goods, wagons, horses, back and forth, and of course make some money doing it. I know it all. I'm Mr. Callahan. Look at this house I built. So he built this beautiful house out of the rock that burns. He built his chimney out of oil shale. And so the first fire he had in it, the natives were right, the Utes were right. The rock that burned his house down after he lit a fire in his chimney. And so I think that goes to prove that either you get something named after you after you're dead, or you've done something really stupid. And maybe that's what happened there.